Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document with Adobe Reader. First, open the PDF document you need to sign using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once open, look for the Fill and Sign tool, usually located on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on this tool, then select the Sign icon, and finally choose Add Signature to begin the process. This will prepare you for creating your digital signature. Now you have 3 options to create your signature. You can type your name, and Adobe will convert it into a stylish font. Alternatively, you can draw your signature freehand using your mouse or trackpad, which offers a more personal touch. The third option is to upload an image of your existing handwritten signature, perhaps a scan or a photo. Select the method that best suits your needs. Once you've created your signature, click Apply. Your signature will then appear on your document. You can easily drag and drop it to the exact spot where it needs to be placed. To adjust its size, simply click and drag any of the 4 corners. If you need to rotate it, a small rotation handle will allow you to do so, ensuring it fits perfectly. After placing and adjusting your signature, it's crucial to save your work. Go to File and then select Save As. It's a good practice to save the document with a new name, perhaps adding Signed to the file name to distinguish it from the original unsigned version. Choose a secure location on your computer, and then you're ready to share your officially signed document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.